How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my page. Today I'm just doing a welding video. I'm not the best welder. I'm not a carbon steel welder. I did most of my welding on aluminum, and I'm still learning about the ins and outs of carbon steel, so bear with me. I know they're not going to look like the prettiest welds, but they're going to hold. I can promise that. So let's get started. Today I'm just going to be welding on the coilover mounts on both sides. This is about the only side that I'm not going to be able to weld with TIG, just because the torch isn't going to be able to fit in there too well to get good fusion. So I can show you what MIG looks like without CO2 argon mix and just straight argon. The arc is very sporadic and it doesn't come out a good clean bead. But I can show you regardless, because it should still hold. It's just not going to look visually pleasing. Alright, so I've got a prime weld TIG machine, 225 AC and DC setup. More than enough amperage for everything that I need it for. Again, my welding experience is not high, so everything that I've learned with a button instead of a foot pedal. Yes, I know the foot pedal is supposed to regulate your heat, all this stuff. I don't know how to use it. I'm not going to try it right now, so no need to leave a comment about that. Because it's cold outside, I'm going to preheat this for So there's the first one. I don't think it turned out too bad. I know the problem with the button is I don't control my heat, which is why my heat affected zone got a little hotter up here than it did there. So, but I'm not gonna try the pedal until I have something to actually practice on and I'm not screwing up at a critical part. So that's the first one. But side welded there, and on the other side I'm probably gonna put another pass on there, another layer, that way it's more reinforced. Got both sides all done. Doesn't want to focus up on it, but both sides are welded. Pulled out the MIG just to do that, and it doesn't look the best. It fused though. Did the top. Did underneath there. Inside there. Again, not the best, but it'll hold. And then out here I'm gonna do another layer once it cools off again, so that way I'm not warping anything too heavily. Same with this side. There's flat fat glob in there. Gotta grind that out. And the tabs up there. All in all, not too bad. Like I said, if you have any advice, let me know. Don't be rude about it. We all had to start somewhere. So, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications to be able to see when I post new videos. Until next time.